Greetings, travelers! At least today I am on solid ground. Speaking of solid ground, let us begin Devotion 83. As the battle continued long against the Philistines, the text of Scripture gives us a commentary as to the state of battle readiness of the children of Israel, and it is not a good commentary. 1 Samuel 13:19. Now there was no smith found throughout all the land of Israel, no smiths. For the Philistines said, lest the Hebrews make them swords or spears. But all the Israelites went down to the Philistines to sharpen every man his share, and his coulter, and his axe, and his mattock. Yet they had a file for the mattocks, and for the coulters, and for the forks, and for the axes, and to sharpen the goads. So it came to pass in the day of battle that there was neither sword nor spear found in the hand of any of the people that were with Saul and Jonathan. But with Saul and with Jonathan, his son was there found. Simply put, the Philistines had disarmed the Israelites. In the entire country, the only people with sword and spear were King Saul and his son Jonathan. Both physically and spiritually, there is a great lesson to learn there. There are words for people who have been disarmed: victims and slaves. In our country today, there is a cry for disarmament both physically and spiritually. Spiritually, the forces of wickedness desire to take away from us an absolute confidence in Scripture, a walk with God, and a strong local church. Physically, the forces of wickedness desire to take firearms out of the hands of law-abiding citizens. Do realize that in either case, the end result will be victimhood and slavery. You heard it, folks. God and guns. Don't give up either of them. Walk with the Lord daily. Have a blessed day!